Right. Today I'm going to talk about a good software called Splitly.com. The Splitly software. This is software for all Amazon store promoter or Amazon those who sell on Amazon. Those who have products selling on Amazon and want to optimize and sell or market their product on Amazon and to sell fast can as well purchase this software. It's a great software for all Amazon store owners who want to grow their store and make sales within a short time frame to beat your competitors. Your 35 million Amazon product listens make you stand out with artificial intelligence. You can see this software contains algorithmic split testing. It tests your pricing, images, titles, features, description, and keywords. Automated price optimization, always be one step ahead with Profit Peak. And artificial intelligence powered optimization tool. Continuous private labels with pricing on autopilot. It also has keyword rank tracking. I mean, you can track your keywords. You can track your keyword with the software by monitoring your rank for the most important keywords. You get sophisticated reports so you can see how your listing performs over time. Almost 3 million additional sales generated through A/B tests with Splitly. Powerful optimization tool for private label sellers on Amazon. Though the software is also a scientifically proven result, you don't leave your Amazon listing optimization to chance and assumptions at all. Especially data scientists have engineered sophisticated algorithms so that you can quickly and easily improve your listing for increased profit. Our technology has helped thousands of Amazon sellers generate millions in extra revenue. So if you want to generate millions within a short time frame with your Amazon listing or Amazon product, make sure you purchase this software called Splitly. It's a great software and actually it will help you optimize and grow your store on Amazon without stress, without the high task needed. Testing your listing or changing your pricing manually is intensive and time consuming. So you got something automatic so you can do other activities at your own leisure time. It requires logging into Seller Central at inconvenient times to make changes and spending hours analyzing report data. Removing this manual work saves time and also gives you access to statistically accurate results. After that, we have people who have used the software and they have their own testimony to make. As you can see, G said, I didn't know I could run split test on my Amazon product until I found Splitly. In my first month optimizing my listing, my conversion rate improved by 18% in a competitive niche like mine. It's huge. And I listened to Kevin Reeser. We all know Kevin Reeser. A/B testing on Amazon is a no-brainer for anyone who wants to truly optimize their listing. Splitting automates the whole process for you and makes it super simple to test different prices, images, titles, and more. I've been an additionally 20% of profit from my product through A/B testing with Splitly. So with all these testimonies you've seen and you've heard, I won't convince you again to buy the software to optimize your Amazon account, Amazon store, to beat up your competitors and make a lot of sales, a lot of money. And the software also has different plans and different prices, different plans, different prices. For enterprise, you pay for $497 per month. You have 100 concurrent tests, 5,000 keywords, A/B testing, profit peak, European US marketplace included in this plan for $497. So if you are interested, you can click the link below to take you straight to the Split software website for you to make your purchase. So click the link I provided below. For business, you pay $197 per month, which includes 25 concurrent tests, 1,000 keywords, A/B tests, profit peak, European US marketplace. For those who want to go for the growth plan, you pay $97 per month, 10 concurrent tests, 500 keywords, A/B test, profit peak, European US marketplace included. For those who are just starting, for the starters, those who are just starting the Amazon business or Amazon store business and don't have enough money, you can just start with $47. Which for $7 you will get 3 concurrent tests, 100 keywords, A/B tests, European US marketplace. So goodbye. Thank you very much for listening. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.